Today we are working with the Clodify system. Our client reported a bug. Here is the bug regarding the wrong currency on edit invoice page. The problem was that the invoice was created with one currency, but when we are going to edit this invoice, it was showing another currency here in the payment method. So today we will test the bug fix. So first we need to check if we have some payment methods. Yes, we in here in this business we have 3 payment methods, like 1, 2, and 3. So we are going to add the invoice. Let it be this one. So we have this payment method. Here is it. So the currency C, and we will edit payment method is correct. So the bug was fixed. Let's check another one. So the payment method is correct. So we can close this bug.